Samsung is going crazy with the updates of Galaxy S23 lineup as we get the new update for the S23 Ultra. And if you're facing issues with your S23 Ultra, then I would suggest you to update. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Samsung rolled out a March security patch update which will fix the 50 vulnerabilities and most importantly any other issue that you are facing. Now, in my last video about Galaxy S23 Ultra issue, it was connectivity issue, where some people are facing issues with the S23 Ultra Wi-Fi connectivity issues with the Wi-Fi 6 modem. Even Samsung customer care acknowledged this issue. This new update rolled out to the European countries including Germany, Netherlands, France and Italy, and will be out for more countries in the coming days. The update size is around 350 megabytes. For now, it is not clear if this update will fix the connectivity issue or S Pen issue, but as a safe guess, it will fix the issue because Samsung already acknowledged the issue. Let me know in the comments, did you guys get this update on your S23 Ultra? If you guys just buy the S23 Ultra, then you first update to Feb security update, as it was the first update of the S23 Ultra, which fixed a couple of issues including the shutter lag you might face on 200 megapixel camera settings. Although if you're still facing shutter lag, you can try other fixes, which is the camera assistant app. You can download it from a Galaxy store and you can change the settings to get things smoother. If you guys want to check the update, just go to your settings and then software update. This new update will improve performance and bring stability. Galaxy S23 Ultra brings great numbers in battery life, and some of you guys are facing issues with the battery life of the S23 Ultra, and some are even getting less numbers than the S22 Ultra. So if you are facing such issues, then first update to your Feb security update, and then this new update will fix more bugs on your S23 Ultra. The performance on the S23 Ultra is just amazing. Even phone buff style video, S23 Ultra goes neck to neck against the iPhone 14 Pro Max, all thanks to Snapdragon Gen 2 and thanks to Samsung for putting Snapdragon Gen 2 only in the S23 Ultra and then go with the Exynos this year. So if you have any bad experience with your S22 Ultra, then I would suggest you to update from S22 Ultra to S23 Ultra. The big update will be your battery backup and also one added feature, light mode, to even extend battery on your S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see the display issue on the S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.